It's good morning. It's day one in Afghanistan. I just woke up and already got greeted by this guy here. So let's get on the bike in a bit and continue. And this is where I slept last night. Some random house here where the Taliban put me yesterday. I slept like outside and was eaten alive by the mosquitoes here. I'm not sure I'm gonna do it again in the future. Okay, thank you, Manana. Thank you. This is milk tea?
It's a milk tea, black tea.
Black tea, okay.
Black tea. Milk is water,
Yeah.
black tea.
Okay,
Mix.
very nice, yeah.
Cow milk.
Cow milk, nice. Thank you. Thank you for the breakfast, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. I got it.
Same back.
Yes. It's on the here. Yes, everything. I have everything. Alright, let's get out of here.
No problem, Max.
Thank you very much. Yes.
No.
Thank you. Yep. Thank you very much. Thank you for everything. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Many handshakes. Okay.
You are still sleeping.
Yes.
Your problem.
I know. Yes. I'll stay in a hotel.
Hotel sleeping.
No problem.
200, 100. Money full Afghanistan.
Okay.
Money.
Yes, I know. Afghani.
Afghan.
Okay. Yes. Thank you very much.
Zaino, Vazi.
Okay. Thank you
We
again.
go.
Yes. I go. Okay.
We go.
Yes, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you. Yeah. All right, 100 handshakes and photos later, I'm back on the bike. Man, what an experience here. The first night in Afghanistan was crazy. Today's plan is to make it to Jalalabad, which is one of the biggest cities in Afghanistan. And I'll have to get a travel permit there. And I'll also try to get a SIM card. So I'm not really well prepared for Afghanistan, but I'm just gonna wing it and see how it goes. Let's go. Man, what are all these trucks for here? Just standing by the side of the road. Weird. But this is Afghanistan. You can just cycle on the other side of the road because there are no traffic rules whatsoever here. Wow, the landscape here has gotten really dry. Just all of a sudden, it feels like Iran almost. Hello.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Great, yes.
Welcome to Afghanistan.
Thank you very much.
Where are you from?
From Germany. From Doha. Doha. Yes.
First you went to Pakistan, then you...
Yes, first. Yes.
Which hour is our land?
Nice. Yeah, I was in Peshawar yesterday. Yes.
If you want to drink something, I will pay.
I don't need anything. Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Have a nice time.
Thank you. You too. Bye bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Can I eat something?
Oh, Raza.
Okay, perfect. Can I eat something? Yes, yes. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
वालेकुम सलाम क्या हाल है
I'm good, thank you.
एरोप्लेन या
No, cycle.
जर्मनी साइकिल
Bicycle, yes. Germany, Afghanistan.
my god
Yes. Amazing. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. All right. Got myself some shish kebabs here. Let's give it a try. All right. Very good. Very good, yes.
Picture.
Okay. Okay, thank you. How much?
Roasted kebab. 105.
100 what?
Eight.
This one. Okay, sounds good. Very good, thank you. Thank you. I go. Okay, thank you.
Picture.
Yes, we can take picture.
Good.
Yes, okay, thank you. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Hello. To Jalalabad. Okay, 1 second. Sorry? Only English.
Jalalabad kurde.
Jalalabad.
Jalalabad.
Yes, yes. From Torhan, Jalalabad.
We are from.
From Germany. You know? Germany.
What's your name?
My name is Max.
Max.
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Amin.
Amin.
Germany na. Germany?
Yes, Germany.
Germany na. Irbansaras.
Cycle.
Hariban matro.
Yeah.
Camera or sarışta.
GPS kam var GPS?
And then hotel, yeah.
Ne عندنا زبسات أمريكية ده زبسات يخان دي.
There are these two guys in Afghan ya da wadega bas
Welcome to Jalalabad. Quite chaotic here. Everything is full of these tuk-tuks here. Hey, this feels like India. Hello. How are you? Yes.
da kam jina kaban na gara
I'm looking for a hotel. You know, hotel. Where?
رقم يا ما راح خش
Hello. Hey. Thank you.
There you go.
I'm looking for a hotel.
Hotel.
Yes. But I need hotel with parking, you know.
I know. وده دي دلتا بوزا خاص هوتل لي هوتل تي معرفي كذا
Yes, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
You're from
Germany.
Huh?
Germany.
وفي غري
Sorry?
شاي ما يسكين
I know. I need hotel.
هوتل
Yes.
كاميرا ممرا
I don't know. Sorry, English.
هوتل ده
Okay. With bicycle.
ها بس كده ده شوف روڑے روڑ كده
Hello. Hotel. I want bicycle inside somewhere.
بس كده
I know. Somewhere inside. Hello. How is Germany. Okay. No, but someone steal.
Di man Kabul ta si. Oh, di man Kabul ta si. Di man sida Kabul.
How are you?
Right, thank you.
What's the matter?
I want to go in a hotel, but I don't want to leave my bike in the street, you know.
No worries, no worries.
No.
Right here.
I can leave it inside somewhere. Or
That was done بس كل قدامه. Do you want to eat something?
I want hotel and eating, yes.
That was the chef. أنا مصير بس كل مدرنا
Okay,
كذا.
okay.
Okay, how much time do you spend here?
Until tomorrow, one night hotel.
فدا وين مسافر خانة ده كبره. Okay, go upstairs. In this place we have thousands of rooms.
Yeah, and the bicycle
Top of them.
upstairs.
Yeah, up top.
Okay, but someone can help me. Or it's heavy.
That's it. I like that. لا ايه لا بس كل زين بريده ما يصير ده لا
It's heavy.
اوكي اعمل
Okay, thank you.
لا ده كوره زي ما قلت من انجلش
You can hold maybe here and
in this place.
Yes.
It is heavy.
Yes.
Very heavy.
Oh, you okay? Wow. Yes.
Pero un taxi le hace que lo sabe.
One person.
Better watch. And this place we have the camera.
Oh, okay, yes.
So when it's not over something, okay?
So here? Okay. Ah, you got it. Okay. All right. Okay.
This place is good.
Amazing. Yes.
Because you front better.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. That is my router.
Okay.
I'm coming to the room.
Yes. And how much is the room?
I will tell you.
Yeah. And this is what 800 Afghanis, or roughly $11, gets you here in Jalalabad. You've got a seating area, a TV, a cooler, and a fan, double cooling, and then a big bed. Let's check out the bathroom. Got a squat toilet, a shower, sink. I mean, it's not super clean, but not horribly dirty. I think it's a fair price. The standard, actually, I would say, is higher than those in Pakistan. So I'm pretty happy with this one. Alright, I took a short rest in the shower, and now I'm gonna try to find a SIM card in the city. And I also need to sort out some sort of travel permit. So we'll see how that's gonna go. Maybe I'll also go eat something first. Hello, I can eat something? I can eat? Yes? What do you have? Like this one? What? Yeah. Okay.
Hi gentlemen, how are you?
Great, yes. Thank you.
Our nature is something like this. Give me an
Yes?
hack this something
Like this, yeah?
Like this.
Like this. Okay. Thank you. Alright, I can eat something? Or
Okay, what do you want to eat? Barbecue?
what do you have?
You
Yes?
have barbecue.
Barbecue, yeah? And with bread or rice or
Do you want rice, biryani, palau? Which one?
I like pulao, yeah?
Pulao.
You have or?
That does it cost 200?
Okay, I'll take one. Pulao?
One pulao?
Yes. Okay.
You want to eat barbecue?
Maybe later.
Later.
For no pulao, yeah? Okay, thank you.
Sit over there with the burn of color.
Perfect, thank you. In Afghanistan, of course, you don't have any tables, but you sit on the ground instead. All right, I'll make some video. Oh, wow. That's a lot of food.
Capture.
Yes, oh, wow. I like Afghan. Afghan food is very good.
Cheers. I will come soon, okay?
Yes, all good.
You must be here.
Yes, thank you very much.
Yeah, gosh,
Okay, thank you. Wow. What a feast. Look at that. Oh, the fan is blowing some salad away. I hope you can hear me with the fan. But yeah, we've got pulao, bread, some sort of sauce, some beans and vegetables, and a salad for 200 Afghanis, which is, let me think, like $3-4. Yeah. Okay, sounds good. All right, thank you. All right, let's give the Kabuli pulao here a try, the national dish of Afghanistan. Not my first time I had it, but it's always good. It's always really delicious. All right, that was delicious. I go by SIM card. Yeah? Okay, thank you. 200? Yeah? Okay, thank you very much.
Looking for money if you don't have.
No, I have enough. Okay, thank you. I go buy a SIM card and then I see you when I come back. Okay. See you later. Yeah. All right, that was a great meal. Now I need to buy a SIM card. Hello again. Hi. I'm back. Yes. SIM card not possible.
Not possible. What's the matter?
They told me the system is down to buy the SIM card. So maybe I go tomorrow.
Okay, it's good.
Yes. But maybe I'll buy something for you. Oh wow.
Like what?
What?
What do you tell me? I don't understand.
I want to buy something from you.
Okay, what do you want?
What do you have?
I have cool drinks, everything.
Cold drinks sound good, yeah.
Come.
Yeah.
Cool drinks, it's head energy. It's not heavy that much.
Yeah.
It's kalashiri, it means potato.
Okay.
It's one. We have important thing is alcohol.
Yeah.
And one of important thing is ginseng.
Okay.
If you drink before the eating and after the eating.
Ginseng.
It's so famous.
Okay. Maybe I'll try this one.
Okay.
I'll take one, yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. How much for that one?
That's 600, not more.
600?
Yeah. Not 60 Afghan.
60, yes, I was gonna
I
say.
had taken a mistake. I'm so sorry.
Yes, no problem. Okay, you can have 100. It's okay.
Okay, I will give you.
No, you can.
I will give you.
No, you help me a lot with the translation,
No, I will give
No,
you.
it's my payment for your translation. Thank you very much. Okay. Hello. Okay, I'll see you later.
Have a nice.
Bye bye. Hello. And we're back at the hotel. And yeah, unfortunately, that SIM card store, apparently the system to sell SIM cards is down, which is a bit unfortunate. So yeah, maybe I'll try tomorrow again, or I'll try it in Kabul in a few days, and we'll be without any internet until then. So we'll see.